I am Ghulam Nabi Sheikh, Zonal Education Officer, Srinagar. We are having this rally today, very successfully conducted. All the lecturers and masters, senior teachers, all the head of the institutions are present here because we are having multi facilities related to this very education. We are having these silent teachers, highly qualified and experienced experts, teacher education, well-equipped laboratories and libraries in these institutions, ICT labs and financial assistance. We are having scholarship, meritorious student scholarship, and many other scholarships, knowledge infrastructure including sports facilities. I think that we are the public should cooperate with the government institutions as compared to the private institutions, because there's a very highly infrastructure, and the experience is tough also. The government is giving so many benefits to these students as well. Staff and students are cooperating. I think that the government initiative will be a very par excellence in the coming future. Thanks, regards.
यहाँ से ट्रैफिक डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं, यहीं रुक जाना, गाड़ियाँ निकलने क्या पता है। शुरू से